This is how to open the boot on a BMW 1 Series or 3 Series if you can't get in because the battery's dead. There's a way to get in from the inside. Pull the back seats down. One. Same on the other side. And then you come to the back. And at the back, there's a clip. That's this here. You just pull this clip. This is emergency open. So if you've ever locked the battery, if the battery's dead or you've lost the key, you need to open the boot. Just pop it, and that's it. Pop it open, that's it. Open. Simple as that.